Hey everyone, welcome to our video. In this video, we'll address a common household issue. Why your vacuum cleaner suddenly stops working. Whether you rely on your vacuum for regular cleaning or need it for specific tasks, a sudden malfunction can be frustrating. But worry not. We're here to help you troubleshoot the problem and find a solution. So, let's get started. Please check the description link. I will provide details information. The vacuum stopped working. You're in the middle of cleaning your home, and suddenly, your vacuum cleaner stops working. It can be a baffling experience, but fear not. There are several possible causes for this sudden halt, and we'll explore them one by one. Power supply issues. The first thing to check is the power supply. Ensure that the vacuum is securely plugged into a functional power outlet. Try plugging another device into the same outlet to verify if the issue lies with the power source. If the power supply is the culprit, you may need to reset your circuit breaker or replace a blown fuse. Overheating. Vacuum cleaners can overheat, especially if they're used for an extended period. If your vacuum suddenly stops working, it might be due to overheating. Check for any clogs or obstructions in the brush roll, hose, or filters. Clean or replace these components as necessary. Additionally, make sure your vacuum's motor has had enough time to cool down before attempting to restart it. Fill a clogged dust bag. A full clogged dust bag can also cause your vacuum to stop working. Check the bag or canister and empty it if necessary. If your vacuum uses filters, inspect them for dirt buildup and clean or replace them as needed. The clean and unclogged dust bag and filters ensure optimal airflow, keeping your vacuum functioning smoothly. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.